Oi! Oi! Oh! Oh! It's my first video about Mongol hairstyle. She's my hairdresser, hairstylist. While she's busy, let me show you a short video about Lord Zetigar, and it's the story about how he created Mongol gear. Enjoy.
They say the devil's water, it ain't so sweet. You don't have to drink right now, but you can dip your feet every once and a little while.
I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope I look hot.